Yes, great morning affiliates. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. I am here to announce with you about our loyalty changes, no? Uh, I would like to encourage everyone to have your loyalty, especially this month of December, because this is the last month of the year to what we call this, yung mapakinabangan pa natin ang plus 35 na loyalty credit points bonus. So, last na lang po siya ngayong buwan na ito, ngayong taon na ito, dahil po by next year, 2026, may mga pagbabago and tatanggalin na po yung plus 35 na points na kung saan advantage sana dahil mabilis lang lumaki yung credit points natin at mabilis lang at redeem tayo ng at least not only 1, 2, or 3 products, minsan nag-aabot pa ng 5 products. Depende sa kalaki ng credit points. So, sa mga affiliates ngayon na hindi pa nakapag-loyalty, our loyalty is on the 18th sa over-the-counter and the online is on the 20th. Be sure na yung mag-online kayo ng credit, what we call this, online loyalty, may laman yung ating debit card, Maya, GCash, and you can also use credit card. So, paalala ko lang sa inyo na by year 2026, ibabalik na nila yung dating ginagawa sa loyalty na pag mag-loyalty ka, I do not know if still they will still on the same LP na 125 LP na magkaroon ka na ng free products, at yung free products is nasa 3 product lang ang pwede nilang ibibigay monthly. It's either Transfer Factor Plus, Pure, or Glutamine Prime. So, ngayong buwan na ito, much better kung mas mataas pa sa 150, kung makapagbenta kayo na mas mataas pa sa 150 ang pwede ninyong mailagay sa loyalty, mas mataas yung credit points para by the time on next year 2026 January kung magre-redeem kayo, nandoon pa yung malaking points niyo sa credit points para makapag-withdraw kayo ng or makapag-redeem kayo ng mga products na iilang products na covered pa ang plus 35, because from the start of the month of the year January, diyan na po mag-start yung ating dating system ng pagbigay ng free products, kasi marami daw hindi nakaintindi sa plus 35. But for me, the plus 35 is very much advantage to have several products to redeem. Maraming products na ma-redeem. Okay? So, sana you take advantage this month kasi ito na yung pinakahuli sa plus 35 LP natin na credit points sa ating pag-loyalty ng 150 and above. And aside from that, we have also what we call this, another changes na mangyayari, lalong-lalo na sa rank up. But of course, the company will see to it if there are changes, magandang changes ang binibigay nila na mas advantage po sa mga affiliates na gustong mag-rank up, na magkaroon ng posisyon. And by the way, kapag nagka-position tayo, may ibibigay ang company na cash per position kapag ma-maintain, especially pag ma-maintain, for your parang subsidy, or may term sila doon, nakalimutan ko lang, na gagamitin ninyo sa mga mag-i-event personally with a group. Okay, with a group yan. And then, other activities na kung saan company will give budget per leader basta na-maintain yung position as QD Elite pataas. Okay? So, pinakamababa is 5,000 for the meeting, for the events or small events. Okay? Or area events. Yun, para may panggastos. And then, 10,000 yata sa QD Elite. And, pataas na siya depende sa kung anong position. So yun po ang aking announcement this month of December. Please take advantage of our loyalty with plus 35 LP additional sa ating credit points. So The higher, the better. Kasi by January, kapag mag-redeem kayo, makaka-redeem pa kayo ng marami. Pero on the first month of the year, ang January, mag-start na rin yung with free products, either Transfer Factor Plus, Pure, or Glutamine Prime. So, maraming pagbabago next year, but of course, the changes is for good, for the better of our business in For Life, especially sa ating team. So I hope by year 2026, mas masigasig tayo, mas marami tayong activities na gagawin kasi mas maraming ibibigay ang company sa atin in their ways na kung saan advantage sa mga affiliates and mga nasa ranks din. So better mag-rank po tayo mga affiliates para mas ma-enjoy ninyo yung mga incentives na ibibigay, either products or cash, aside sa ating mga commissions, okay, and salaries. So, yun lang po at maraming salamat. Have ano ba tayo ngayon? Wednesday. So, have a great Wednesday to all of you. God bless us all.